Hello, today we will guide you through how to present PDF in Google Meet. To begin, open Google Meet in your web browser. This is where you'll either join an existing meeting or create one of your own. If you're presenting a PDF to others, it's a good idea to have the PDF already open in a browser tab before the meeting starts. That way, when it's time to share, everything is ready and you can move smoothly without delays. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you have two options: join a meeting that's already been set up or start a new one. For this walkthrough, we'll start an instant meeting. This is the quickest option if you want to begin right away and get to your presentation without extra setup. After selecting the option to start an instant meeting, Google Meet will open the meeting room for you. When the meeting window appears, click Join Now. This takes you fully into the meeting so you can begin presenting. If you're waiting for other participants, they can join after you enter, but getting into the meeting first allows you to prepare your screen share in advance. It also gives you a moment to check that the correct tab or document is open and ready to be shown. Next, look at the bottom of your screen for the upward arrow icon used for presenting or screen sharing. Click that icon to start the sharing process. Google Meet will then ask what you want to share. This is an important moment because choosing the right content helps keep your presentation focused and avoids showing anything unrelated on your screen. From the sharing options, choose the tab where your PDF is located. If your PDF is open in a browser tab, selecting that tab is often the easiest and cleanest method. It helps your viewers focus only on the document you want to present, instead of seeing your full desktop or other open windows. Before confirming, quickly make sure you've selected the correct tab so the right PDF appears for everyone in the meeting. Once selected, your PDF will be visible to the meeting participants. You can then scroll through the document at your own pace while speaking. For the best experience, move through pages steadily and pause briefly when needed so viewers have time to follow along. And that's all it takes to present a PDF in Google Meet clearly and effectively.